Here are 5 cool things you might not know in Schedule 1. There's a glitch that allows you to fly really high up in the map, which can make for some really funny moments. This glitch can be achieved by running into the wall while standing on top of the dumpsters behind Taco Ticklers and then letting go of your W key. There is actually a hidden bungalow which was removed from the demo, but luckily you can add it back in, which makes for a pretty awesome base. If you're wondering how you can get this in your own save, I've put a tutorial linked down in the description which you can watch. There is a baseball bat that can be found in the basketball court next to the sweatshop. And in case you're wondering, it's located exactly here on the map. The best strain in the game is OG Fuel, and you get it by mixing green crack with chili, paracetamol, chili again, mouthwash, banana, iodine, and finally horse semen. This strain is pretty good, but it's kinda hard to make, and it sells for 187. You can find some NPCs hidden outside of the demo map, like Uncle Nelson and Albert, who spawn outside until you unlock them. You can also find Beth walking around out here as well. So if you guys did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe for more Schedule 1 content coming in the future. See you in the next one.